done any experiment on that?
Yes, sir, I've done one, but I'm a little bit confused.
On?
So actually, I've added one customer,
Mm,
and in that I've added 5 virtual machines.
okay.
And in the other customer, I've added 3 virtual machines, and data centers I've added 3.
Okay.
So in the graph that is showing the cloudlets one,
Mm,
so I'm not able to understand that because in one customer there are 3 virtual machines.
mm.
So I'm not able to, I'm a little confused that how it is executed.
Okay. Uh, can you share your screen so that I can see where you have stuck, and from there I can guide you where.
Okay, so should I share the report or the simulator?
You can share your screen and there we can see.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So I don't have rights.
Okay. Check now.
Yes. Yes, sir. I'll share now.
Yeah. What you're unable to understand?
So actually this one, this cloudlets one.
Okay, cloudlets are the instructions that you're passing.
Okay, sir. So in this I've added 3 virtual machines. So for these 3,
Mm.
where it is being passed, the instructions, where it is being passed to data center.
Yeah, yeah, data center.
Okay.
Whatever policy you have applied now, so
Yes,
based
sir.
on that policy, it will go to the desired data center.
Hmm.
The desired data center will process it, and after the processing, it will generate this utilization, like number of instructions that you have put it there, cloudlets. And if you just scroll up, so here you have your resource utilization. So you can select any virtual machine. For example, you have chosen virtual machine 2. So you can choose virtual machine 1 as well. And now it is showing RAM, bandwidth, and CPU. You uncheck CPU and RAM. So now this is only the bandwidth utilization. So it is very constant that bandwidth utilized. Since you are running the simulation for 60 minutes only, that's why the results are not that much having variation. Try to run it for a longer time so that there can be big variations, more
Sir, I
instructions.
changed it to 80 minutes.
You change it to in hours like 10 hours or 4 hours, 5,
Okay, okay.
then you will see a little more major variation.
Okay, sir.
And how is the interface and all? Are you finding it like uh, easy to understand?
Yes, sir. I just have to explore more of it because I've done just one. So
Okay.
I'll see to it.
Yes, you can definitely try it with several experiment. We have time today for this only, so I kept specifically. I give more time to practical, and these kind of tools you will be having when you get a job in cloud position at a higher level position in cloud. So these kind of tools will be there, and there you have to identify logs, customer data, utilization, and everything based on the trends and everything. You can then predict whether it is up to the mark or not.
And sir, one more thing. I created one environment, cloud computing,
Mm.
but then there were 2 environments that were already created, BCA and new environment. So
That
I
I
just,
created. I
Yes,
created
sir.
that.
So when I ran the simulator,
Hmm.
so those three were running on, but I wanted just cloud computing to run, but all the three were running.
So you remove all the two other and you keep only one.
Okay, okay,
Because when you run the simulation, na, it will run all the environment.
okay, sir.
Sir, I tried to remove the environment. It is not happening.
You select and click on minus.
हाँ वो remove का जो option है, I click that. It's nothing. The button does nothing actually.
No, it should not go like that. Let me just check at my end. Avi, can you go to the simulation? Okay, okay. Let it be.
What, sir?
No, no. I'll share the screen from my end.
Okay, sir.
You go to manage environment, then you click on BCA, then you click on remove, and you click on yes. See why it was not removing, because it was selected that time. Got it? You need to change here and then you need to remove it. Got it now? Yes. Akash, you asked the doubt, na? You said, na? Akash, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hello sir. I
Yeah.
asked the doubt.
Okay, Satvik,
Yeah.
you asked, na? So now it is removed, na? You just need to.
Actually, I don't get that option which you get, like remove button को दबाया and then it asks you for the confirmation.
I'll
वो
tell you.
that doesn't come actually.
Satvik, I'll make you presenter. Can you able to share your screen?
Okay sir.
Before. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Just a minute. Yes, so I'm here.
Manage. You select BCA and then click on remove.
Nothing is happening.
Just click on remove.
I'm clicking, sir.
Okay. You close it.
Okay.
You
Close the whole
close
thing.
simulation. Yes.
Okay.
Report and nothing is open now.
No, nothing is open.
Run.
Report खुली नहीं है. Yeah. Restart
Run.
it.
Run. Yes. Now
Yeah.
you change to new environment.
I am clicking, nothing is happening.
What for my scene you have seen it, no? It was working.
Yeah, it gives you a confirmation and then it deletes it.
Close it. Just wait. Change it to BC environment.
Okay. Let's read
Click,
the new environment.
click on customer first. No. Click on customer.
Achha, okay. Customer.
So that we will have a. Click on customer. Click on Tanmay. Yes. And now you go to remove environment. File and
उससे भी कुछ नहीं होगा.
No. From here, नहीं. From there.
Okay. Then
No. File you go in files.
okay, file में manage. No,
Okay.
not happening.
And what about new environment? If you click on new environment.
No, that is also not happening.
Okay. Are you able to add it?
I'm able to add things.
But you are not able to remove things.
Yeah.
So what you can do is you can just download the simulation again. There might be some issue with the files or anything like that.
Same, sir. I'm also not able to delete.
But for my case, I am able to. How can that be like?
वो तो zip file extract किए है sir. तो
Okay. I'll upload a simple master 2 report. You download the second one. It is having only one environment. If you are facing the same problem. Now you can try on this. Is it the problem with everyone? Like everyone is not able to remove, or there are only 2-3 people? Saima Beg, have you done it? Have you done the simulation? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Swarangi. Ahmed. Ahmed. Palakjeet. Shubhit. Del.
so the to the second file is also the same.
Oh, So there are only one simulation in second file.
No, there is two BCA and new environment. So it's the same actually, so carbon copy.
Okay.
Sir, could you send the link then from where you got the software? So
I will check it if I can give it to you. I'm just looking for it because I have downloaded it very long time, like 2 years back. So I'll just check it where it is now available and I'll share it with you. Just give me a minute. Yes, I have shared the link to download it. Directly the GitHub link. Satvik, you can check this.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
So it's not happening with the link. It's the same thing.
You have downloaded the folder and you tried it, like, but it might be some system issue actually. Like the system might be able to process that.
So does it need some other files to download, like or to install it?
No, no, no.
Yeah, and is it only, can you only install it in Windows or can you install it in other operating system also? I mean,
Yeah. In that case, what you need is you need to configure it through Eclipse.
okay, I don't have Eclipse. I have like other, I have Visual Studio Code. Like, can I use any other editor?
NetBeans or Eclipse.
Okay,
Anyone can do.
okay, I'll try. Yeah.
Yes, anything more from the students I want to know? How many experiments have you performed? Yes. So see, there are two, there will be one assignment. One will be based on cloud analyst and one will be based on cloud report. I am creating an assignment now, and the date for submission of this two assignment, like it's a single assignment, but you have to share one consolidated PDF. First report will be for cloud analyst and second report will be for cloud report. Okay, I am creating an assignment. There you have to upload your assignment in the Teams itself. The deadline for submission of this assignment will be 26th of February. Anybody is having any doubt in that?
So you will be giving us specifications, or we have to do according to ourselves?
No, you have to do according to yourself. But the only thing that I'm going to tally is nobody should have a similar kind of specification, because that's a probability, very less probability that everybody will have a different specification. So I suggest don't go with the default specification. If you go with the default specification, I won't consider it. You have to configure both the simulation based on your requirement. And you have to mention in the Word file, in the report, that what specification you have configured.
So we just have to make the PDF of the reports generated.
Yes, and combine it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll make it 28th of February. But there won't be any extension after 20th.
Sir, Akash is saying he got disconnected. He'll be back online.
Don't worry, no, it will come in the this attendance. Automatically his name will come.
Okay.
So, and did you take attendance for previous class?
Yeah,